It's about time to go to the airport. Today I'm leaving Puerto Vallarta. I have to leave this nice apartment and my princess life is gone.
Is mandatory inside this building. The Department of Health recommend use of hand sanitizer.
I think I need to fill in one of those. Now is 6 a.m. It's pretty quiet. Everything is not open yet. Bye bye wheels.
Your attention please. We remind you that use of face mask is mandatory inside this building. The Department of Health recommend use of hand sanitizer and keep social distancing.
Seriously. But on the plane you just sit right next to other with a smaller seat. Today I fly with Artlist. I booked this ticket around 2 weeks ago, but a few days after I booked, they sent me an email and then told me that they moved my flight to the afternoon. I was like, what the hell? Because I do have another domestic flight in the afternoon. So if I miss my morning flight, it means that I have to move my next one to the next day, and then I need to spend a night in Mexico City. So I called the customer service. Fortunately, I could reach them in a very short time, and I talked to the lady what happened, and then, and they should put me back to the morning flight. It's just strange. I was very confused, so I raised my question on Facebook groups for expats. Like basically 99% of the people, they they just had negative comment about this airline. They said like in the flight the service is okay, but in general it's horrible. I'm like, oh no. But someone told me that they changed my flight. It's because they might cancel it or they might delay the flight. So I was still a little bit wary, but yeah, they let me check in, so it should be fine, right? Back in Mexico City, it's pretty chill. It's only 14 degrees Celsius. That's a test center and the airport. First floor of the airport. There's a little bridge. After you cross it, you can find the bus and also a Marriott. So you can go to Puebla, Capsule, somewhere not very far. My flight is at 2 p.m. and now it's only 10, so maybe I'll show you something interesting. Let's go to Marriott. No, Marriott is not interesting. Let's go here. Let's go to the Sleepboats. It is a Capsule hotel. After you enter, that's the shared bathroom. Toilets and shower rooms are separated. Hair dryer is available. Before going into the room, you can put your belongings into this spacious locker. I put my suitcase into it without any problem. It also has a towel and a hanger. Every guest is given an amenity kit with a pair of socks because shoes are not allowed in the bedroom area. There's also a small bottle of hand sanitizer, earplugs, and Wi-Fi password. A remote control for the TV is also given. Enter the room. It is extremely dark and I need the flashlight on my phone. The capsules are on both sides and each side has 2 floors. You have to look for your capsule number and enter with your key card. For second floor, you can go up with the little stairs. It's like a hotel room. You have to insert your key card in order to connect the electricity. Let me turn on the fan to a higher level first for better ventilation. There's no buttons for light. You just touch the little dots on the panel for lumen. The light looks pretty strange, but anyways, let's take a look of this place. Let's take a look of the panel. That's for headphone, that's for USB. The other side as well. And then there's an emergency button. That's for fan and ventilation, but it's still pretty hot. There's a socket. It also has a safe, but I don't know how does it work, but I don't need it anyways. There's a fire extinguisher, a hook, a bottle of water. On the other side, a hook as well. Over here, there's a TV and reading light. They have it on both sides. There's a wake up light. Let's try the TV. You really need the headphone. They don't provide it, maybe you can buy it from them. Next to the bed, there's a table. Oh, it come out like this. Oh, okay. So you can sit like this to work. And this pillow, at the beginning I thought, oh, only one pillow, maybe not enough for me, but no. Is it called memory foam? I don't know, but it's quite a very firm pillow. Oh, this thing is very comfy. but the space, yeah, it's a little bit tiny. I think it's only good enough for one person. But if you're a little bit taller, I think if you are like 6 feet tall, it might not be good enough for you. I think it's good enough for ladies. If you're like, I'm 5'1", so those like maybe up to 5'5" or 5'6", when I lie down, is up to here. Hey, it doesn't work. This one neither. Let's try the plug. What? Oh, okay, the plug is working. Capsule Hotel was found in Japan over 40 years ago. The idea is to provide basic and affordable short stay. It is common to find capsule hotels next to train stations in Japan. This place costs us around $40 per night, which is not cheap at all, but it will save your commute time and transportation fee if you have a layover. This capsule hotel you can rent per night like a regular hotel, or you can rent by hour, but minimum is 2 hours. So today I pay 340 pesos for 2 hours. Or you can just pay to take a shower. I think it's around 160 pesos, something like that. The airport is less busy than 2 months ago. But still, it's not quiet. Okay guys, let me introduce my new room to you. So when you enter, there's a desk and a chair. This area is quite narrow, so I don't know what I can do with it. And then a double bed, 2 shelves, yeah, a fan of course because it's quite warm, and then a TV, and then yeah, it's sort of like a closet. I'm glad they got some hangers for me. and then a mirror and other desk, which is good. So I'm able to work, eh? And then the two sockets is quite new. One here and other two there. So they have more sockets than I expected. Alright, here is the bathroom. Very simple. Yeah, simple bathroom. But they sort of like separate the wet and dry area. So I still appreciate it. Oh, there's also a socket here. Wonderful, wonderful. So this room is $14 per night after discount. After the monthly discount, I booked 28 days. See, this place is very narrow. Yeah. And the kitchen is shared. And then they have a washer to share too. Yeah. Oh. They open the window. So if I want some light, I can open the curtain. But it's still like a public area. But they only have 5 rooms to rent, and the families also live here. So they gave me towel, toilet paper, 2 little bottles of water. So I think I'll need to get more water in the supermarket later, and soap. The Airbnb price in this area can be very extreme. So I think this is the cheapest one that I can find, and it is in Central. So everywhere seems to be walking distance or almost walking distance. My face turned very red. I'm very sweaty. Now I think I'm gonna take a shower and then go to the supermarket to get some water, and then maybe I'll do my groceries tomorrow morning, because now it's quite late. Maybe tonight I will just go out to find something to eat or sleep early, because I woke up at 4 this morning and now it's like 4:30. Crazy.